This thing went off. I think.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Ocklawaha River to Apalachicola, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Swampy River to Apalachicola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 10:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, showers with gusty winds were located along a line extending from near Port St. Jude to 60 nautical miles.
It did. Did this become? It did.
At 20 knots. Hazard
Version 3. Of
34
course it
knots or
did.
greater.
Wait.
Source. Radar indicated.
That explains a lot.
Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots.
249.
High waves and heavy downpours.
The version, but.
On board are wearing life jackets. Locations in Texas include O Tower, K Tower, Port St. Joe,
can't
South Tower,
see
B
it.
Tower, Empire Micro Wreck,
Don't know why,
C Tower, Cape
but
San Blas, St. George
it does say
Island,
special
Mexico
marine.
Beach. Seek safe shelter. Mariners can expect gusty winds and increasing waves.
Here we go. Gonna be double header?
2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time conditions.